day viewers, welcome to Master Builders, a very online tutorial that cuts across secondary school subjects, higher institution courses. Now, in today's video, I have a very special package for university students and polytechnic students. Yes, and this gift is mainly for engineering students, mathematics students, and other science students who do more of calculations or mathematics in their course of study. Now guys, if you are visiting this page for the very first time, do consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ensure that you turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload mind-blowing content, guys, you will be notified. And as well, ensure that at the end of this particular video, like and make your necessary comments so that we will know when and how to serve you better. At least it will give us a guideline on where to improve on so that we can serve you maximally, right? Now you have a lot to gain in these tutorials today, but ensure that you do not skip any part of this video. Yes, for you to get all that we will be unveiling in this particular topic, guys, you must ensure that you do not skip any part of this video for your own benefit. Now guys, let's get started. Let me unveil the gift that I have for you guys. Now, on the board we have what we call differential equations. Yes, we have what we call differential equations. Guys, what is a differential equation? Yes, what is a differential equation? Now, let me define it. A differential equation is an equation that shows the relationship between an independent variable x, a dependent variable y, and one or more derivatives of y with respect to x. Guys, I take it again. A differential equation is an equation that shows the relationship between an independent variable x and what a dependent variable y and one or more derivatives of y with respect to x. Guys, you know, generally in differentiation, people normally call it dy. Most students normally call it dy over the x. Yes, anytime you are dealing with differentiation, they do call it dy over the x, which is because the function is a function of y and x. Now, if for instance we have y is equal to a function of x, alright? So when I differentiate y with respect to x, this is a derivative of y with respect to x. So a differential equation is a combination of what a dependent variable, an independent variable, and what the derivatives of y with respect to x, guys. Now, we also have what we call orders of differential equation. Now, in some courses or in some departments, they call it order of differential equation. Guys, there is no way you will be able to solve problems on differential equation if you do not know the orders of differential equation. Now, guys, what is the order of differential equation? Now, the order of a differential equation is given by the highest derivative involved in the equation. Yes, the order of a differential equation is given by what? The highest derivatives involved in the equation. So when I mean higher derivative, of course we know we have higher derivatives under differentiation, right? Yes, we have first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, and nth derivative. So many numbers of what derivative. Right now, if for instance, if I have 3x dy over dx plus 2y is equal to 0, for instance, this is a differential equation. Why? Because independent variable x, I have a dependent variable y, and I have derivative. Hope this is well explained, guys. So, take for instance, I have 5x dy over dx, then plus 6y is equal to 0, guys. Now let me quickly explain the concept of this question, right? Now this is the independent function or variable here. This y here is the what? Dependent variable. And now dy over dx is the what? Derivative of y with respect to x. Now we said that we have order of differential equation. Now I just explained that the order of differential equation is given by the highest derivative involved in the equation. That means if I have first derivative in an equation, that such equation is called first order differential equation. Guys, example, this is a first order differential equation. Then for instance, I have this as d square y over dx squared plus 6 dy over dx minus 2y is equal to 0. This is an example of what? Second order differential equation. So how do we know first order? When I have the y over the x, the power of this is 1, the power of x here is 1. So this is first order. Why this is second order? When you have d square y over dx squared, this is second order. So when I have questions that contains only dy over dx, in such question, the highest derivative is 1. So such is called first order differential equation. Then we have second order differential equation like this case. Then we have third order differential equation d cube 1 over dx cube plus 4x dy over dx plus y 4y is equal to 0. Whether or not you have second order differential equation here, what controls this equation is the highest derivative. Alright? So the highest derivative here is d cube 1 over dx. Then this particular equation is called third order differential equation. Then and so on and so forth. Guys, the next thing we are quickly going to do now is that we are going to be looking at first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Yes, we are limited to first order and second order differential equation. Why? Because for undergraduates, they focus only on first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Now, guys, before we will start solving problems on first order differential equation, second order differential equation, we are quickly going to examine the formation of differential equation. Now, guys, how are differential equations formed? This question will be answered in the next video. Yes. How are differential equations formed? How come about differential equation? Please check the description below. You will find the link to the next video that will talk about how to form differential equation. Alright? Now, this question, I just put them here. We want to know how differential equation can be formed. First order, how they are formed. Second order, how they are formed. Third orders, how they are formed. And how orders of differential equations are formed. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so, and I'm sure you like this current video before you dive into the next video. See you guys in the next video.